Adding a new email account in the iPhone Mail app is not always straightforward. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the App section, then scroll again and search for the Mail app settings. Select Mail Accounts and tap Add Account. Here you can choose popular email services from the list or sign in directly with your custom domain email address. For example, I am adding a Google Gmail account on my iPhone. You can also add an iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, or a custom domain email account using the Add Other Account option. Enter your correct email address and password one by one. Verify two-factor authentication if it is enabled, and continue by accepting the privacy terms. Tap Continue on the screen. iOS will request access to your Google account. Enable the toggles for Mail, Contacts, Calendars, or Notes that you want to sync on your iPhone. Tap Save to apply the changes. As you can see, the Mail app is now showing the account. Launch the Mail app and access All Mailboxes by tapping the back arrow in the top left corner. Here are the Google Gmail emails. You can compose and start sending new emails from the Apple Mail app securely and safely. Follow the same steps to add another email account. To remove an email account from the iPhone Mail app, go back to Mail Accounts. Tap the account you want to remove, select Delete Account, and confirm it. You can also disable the Mail toggle if you want to remove only the Mail access from the Mail app. That's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates.